Today I'm going to be trying to break insane world records. I know what you're thinking.
Wait, Luke, didn't you just post a world record video last week?
Well, this week I'm gonna do it better.
Most backflips flat in a minute. Bro, I didn't even land that. What was that?
You got like 30 seconds left.
Oh, dude, that hurt. No!
Come on now, you got 5 seconds left.
I didn't get one backflip. Let's go.
Are you counting? Are you counting?
Most push-ups without stopping. Oh, my form is gone. Oh my gosh.
On your marks, get set, go.
Bro, this is hard. This is weird. Dude, I can't. Oh my god, bro, this feels so weird. How far? Over halfway.
Keep going, you're almost there. You got like 5 meters left. Done. Oh wait, no, keep going.
What? Fastest mile backwards. I have to go back and forth 32 times. I'm also doing it barefoot. Gonna break a world record today, boys. What am I doing with my life? Alright, on 24, my hair is just sad. I don't really know the strat. I feel like I'm going really slow. Oh my goodness, we're at 13 minutes. Let's speed it up. 28, almost done. We got this, we got this. I'm going very slow. 30, oh my goodness. My feet are numb, it's cold, I'm drooling. My hair's all over the place. 31, almost done. 32 laps. Oh, that hurt a lot. My feet are dead. We're gonna do the world's farthest marshmallow throw.